This is room 1513 at the Embassy Suites, Pioneer Square in Seattle. It's a king room junior suite. There's a closet right when you walk in, and the closet has, well, it's lit, which is nice, ironing board, blankets, pillows, then also a suitcase holder, then 2 drawers. Coming around the corner, there's a little kitchenette here with a refrigerator, ice bucket, glassware, coffee machine, a small microwave, some shelves, and I don't know what's under here. Oh, and a safe in here, little sink too. Full-length mirror here, our bags, a desk with 2 chairs, an executive chair and another stationary chair that, you know, doesn't have wheels. Light, phone, lots of outlets. There is a king sofa bed. Maybe it's a queen sofa bed. I actually don't know what size. It's a sofa bed. And art there. We've got a view. I'll come out in a second, but a really big window, nice bright room. The TV here. The TV actually, well, there's some outlets underneath, but then the TV swings out. So you can watch in bed if you want, or you can watch over here on the sofa, whatever works best. Coming to the side here, the nightstand, there's a big empty open space, a drawer, lots of outlets, nice dim lighting, a big king bed with a nice bedpost there. The side has another phone, more electrical outlets, lighting, and coming in the bathroom, barn door closure, then big mirror, sink area, really big mirror, nice lighting, Neutrogena products, then hair dryer in the drawer here, some extra towels, toilet here, and a stand-up shower. This one does have a place to put your leg if you are a woman and you need to shave, which some hotels don't, so I'm glad to see that. And there's a shower bar here, the shower head, and then a little shelf back here to put your toiletries, and a couple hooks in the bathroom, and that's about it. So this is the king room junior suite in Seattle. Oh, the outdoor view, first off, this window is huge, partially blocked by the TV, but that's all right. The window opens. I'll have to open that in a second. We can see neighbors here, and across the way there's offices. I think that might be apartments or offices. We can see Lumen Field, just partially, I guess some of the stadium there. Some of the other buildings like the Elysian Building and the port. And then we have, like, if we really turn to the angle here, there is a little bit of an Olympic mountain view and sound view, and freighters in the sound right now. So kind of a cool little city view slash water view, and just a really nice hotel to stay in for 4 nights here in Seattle. So I love hotels that have a window that actually opens, and even just a little bit, it's enough to get some fresh air into the hotel room. This is Milton, the robot, and Milton delivered toilet paper to our room. This is the gym and spa and health club area. And the gym is huge. It has a ton of ellipticals, treadmills, bikes, recumbent bikes, just everything you need for cardio. Then also for strength training, there's balls, foam rollers, kettlebells, there's free weights, there's weight machines. It's just a huge and well-equipped gym. This is the women's locker room, sinks. There's lockers here, 2 showers, really big, large showers. Then 3 stalls, including an accessible stall. And that's about it. This is the guest laundry room. And there are a lot of washers and dryers. So 4 washers, 4 dryers. Looks like they're $1.75 each. That one might be $1. And a little table for folding. This is the pool area and deck area. There's a big lap pool. It's about 3.5 feet deep. There's a hot tub at the end there. Lots of seating, some deck chairs. And then outside here is the deck that you can go outside. Oh, it's cold outside. And here's the deck, which has a city view. Some deck chairs on it. You can see the stadium. You can see other buildings. And then down Pioneer Square and downtown. Three washers, 3 dryers, and looks like they're $1.75. Take credit cards, and then a folding table. The hotel has a small shop with some drinks and little snacks and basic essentials.